Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. Well, we've got more China banning crypto news, and so wanted to get into that in this video and take a look at exactly what they're doing and why I think this is actually bullish. All right, let's get into it.
Trade Genius.
Guys, real quick, we got a new product coming out with our binary options. As you know, our binary options are really high probability hit rates on our Forex program. We've come up with me and Bob have come up with a new program. It's a really high win rate indicator, and you can do it on the ES futures, and binary options has 20-minute contracts. So what it does, it'll signal these are shorter term duration entries, but you can see like this is a winner, small loser, winner, and this one went on to be a winner. This is from yesterday's session. So if you guys want to get in on this stuff, we show you how to make money every day, whether it be cryptos or on the traditional stock market, ETF side, or binary options. But if you want to get this, we're gonna be selling that in our software. You can get the what you would do here is you'd actually get the day trading money machine, and then in the notes say binary option sniper. If you really want to take advantage of that, use special deal. I can let a few of these go. It's not really officially up on the website yet, but that's a really killer deal because that thing's going to pay for itself in no time. So check that out, special deal, binary sniper indicator. Also, if you're not familiar with binary options, new to it, check out our back to school specials. These are going away. They're never going to be this price again, ever. This was just for this whole back to school thing. And but we'll teach you how to do that in the binary options. So these are no coupon code needed. These are the prices to pick a bundle you want, and very good value for the amount of content that you get. So check it out. All right, so this China crypto news. So yesterday we saw some headlines hit. China is now prohibiting anything to do with crypto, any commercial events related to crypto. You can't have anything related to crypto going on commercially in China. Even down to banning communication applications like WeChat, anything like that. Any crypto media outlets, any of that stuff, China's clamping it down. So they got rid of exchanges in-house, they got rid of ICOs, now they're getting rid of anything having to do with crypto. The other thing too is that they are now going to block specifically offshore crypto exchanges, more than 120 of them to be exact. And so, basically what they're trying to do is just, if you go to China, you'll see people on their mobile devices and they'll be trading crypto. I've had clients go over there and verify that they'd be on the train, and you'll find somebody on there trading crypto. So I think they're aware that it's still very active. And so I think this is furthering the clampdown on trying to get that stopped. I think basically what's going to happen here is that at some point China's going to reverse this stuff. Historically, they've always done that. They've taken a position and they've backed off of it. At this point, I think what's going to happen is when that does happen, you really want to be positioned in a Chinese play. So whether that be NEO or something like Walton Chain, WTC, those things are going to probably see a pretty violent move, a reversal move up on that news. So just keep that in mind. All right, with that being said, let's take a look at the chart and why I think this is bullish. All right, so here's the daily chart, guys. And essentially this candle here with the long wicks, that basically was off the announcement of the ETF rejection news last night. And it was a day early, so it caught probably the market a little bit off guard. But you saw some stops being run. But we, essentially kind of started back where we were before the news. And also the China news had broke at that time. So here you have a couple really bad news events that typically in the last few months would have been probably good for, several $100 move down, and nothing, prices held. And remember, this kind of falls in line with what we were thinking, that, with all of the short interest that we have, and that's this represented here. Historically, when the shorts are over the long exposure at Bitfinex, typically that's been fuel for a short squeeze. And since so much sentiment was expected to dump down, market usually doesn't give the masses what they want. So not surprising, we didn't dump. on the ETF bad news, and the China news was a little unexpected, but here they are again. But you got to keep in mind too, they've been pretty regular at regular intervals with this negative news, and the market has stopped reacting to the China FUD. So I think when you start seeing things like that, the market, especially when you've been in a bear market like we have been, and the news isn't affecting price, and price isn't dropping dramatically or even dropping at all on that type of news, big negative news like that, I think you have to take notice of that stuff. And that's the things you find at bottoms when we stop making like lower lows on bad news. So anyway, food for thought, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Please hit like and subscribe. If you're on mobile, hit that ring that bell on mobile, and you'll be notified when we release our new videos. And I'll catch you on tomorrow's video, guys. Thanks. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.